Hey, welcome back to Adventures with Football. Here we are at Legoland, New York. We're gonna see what this is all about. I'm gonna walk around, not gonna do much. Got the whole family in tow. All three grandkids, both of my kids, and we got my sister Liz with us. So there's 9 of us here today. So let's wander around Legoland, New York and see what this is all about, shall we? And there's the whole crew right there. Here comes trouble. Oh, there goes trouble.
We're going into the big room.
This is the entrance. The park opens at 10 a.m. until 6 p.m. Let's see how much trouble we can get into in those short amount of time. And of course they have the souvenir shop. And we turn the first corner and we got rides. And we'll go check all this stuff out. They have over here, they got Miniland. Oh, look at that. They got cable cars. I wonder where they go. Uh-oh. Looky here.
Perfect, thank you.
Oh.
Or go by yourself.
Next friend incoming, high five per chance. Wonderful.
That Bob. And they have refreshments and refills station. You buy a cup and you can refill it for free all day long. That's pretty cool. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Miss. Miss. Haha. Oh. Look at the view of this. Huh? And there's way more. Wow. I might have to take that cable car down. Huh. Looks like there's enough to explore.
Were y'all riding this one?
What's in there? Oh, this is like ratatouille, and this is the Maggie. You'll have to ride this. Like Star Wars. Yeah.
Hi guys! What you got, bud? What you building a little man?
I'm making a minifigure holding some rabbit arms. And I wonder how
Cool.
I'm just trying to get as much pieces on the minifigure as possible.
There you go. You get to make 3 of them, right? In a pack? Cool.
Splash pad's right there.
Oh yeah, look at the castle. Oh, we can get to the castle down there if we make it back.
Oh, okay, we can head that way, yes.
Yeah, so either... Oh, look at McKaylee way down there.
And if you take a look and you notice, there's really not a lot of people here. It is not overcrowded. It's a Sunday in August. All right, about to enter another world. We're heading over to that splash pad over there. All right, looks like a main street here. Huh? Look at this.
Yeah.
I think we're going to eat.
We're gonna eat.
Well, we stopped and ate. We had pizza. We ordered 3 pizzas. My son bought this IP beer. And I'm gonna tell you, that first sip tasted exactly like the last sip. It was an IP beer. Tasted like crap. I'll stick to my Keystone Light. Thank you very much. Okay, now we're gonna walk down this main street after lunch. After getting some pizzas. And pizza was good. I tell you, pizza was good. This Legoland is a lot, pretty much for little kids. I would say 10 and under. And I'll tell you, look, it's not even that crowded. But I think we're going to go over to a roller coaster or something now. So we'll watch the kids ride on the roller coaster.
So your son wants us to go on the coaster. It's okay, it's okay.
It's like, what just happened?
It's okay. You got the otter box? Hilarious. I do the same thing when I drop mine.
Oh,
So your son wants
it didn't crack, people. It did not crack.
I got 5 more seats.
Get him, get him, get him!
At least he refreshed me. At least he refreshed me off.
All right, here we go. Hold your hands up. Woo! Oh, they didn't get us. Up here. Woo!
Thanks.
Come on, come on!
Y'all didn't work.
Good one, Joe.
This one worked. His feet right to it. Get him, get him, get him, get him.
Oh!
Joey, give me one. Give me one. Give me one.
All right, last one, guys. Get him, Ross. Get him, Joe. Get him. Get him. Woo! Get him. Get him.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Liz.
4 and 5.
Have a good day, everybody.
You
Thank
take
you.
care.
Too.
Liz, you almost didn't make it.
Oh my God. Down.
They're just in there for the Bellagio.
That's made out of Lego.
They're little Lego cities.
Now we can see what we
No shade.
That's yeah, another 10 years.
No Craggle.
Is that New York
No
City?
Craggle.
There's New York City, Las
Over there,
Vegas.
there's one somewhere
Yeah, over
there.
there.
Nobody's not over there.
Try again. Try it.
Dragon. Oh, yeah, up top.
You know, hardly anybody's walking through them.
No, too hot. Back up to the first place we were in. Good.
Guys, we might crash into that building.
We're not crashing. So
Hey guys, I do have to have you guys put your phones away. Thank you very much.
All right, well, that's a wrap for today. We spent the whole day here at Legoland and with the whole entire family. Time well spent. Remember, spend as much time as you can because you have no idea how much time you got left. We ended up doing the entire park in one day. We had scheduled for 2, but we did the whole park. So we don't know if we're going to come back tomorrow or not. But if we do, we'll probably do it all again. We're probably not going to do it again, so we're probably going to be heading on to the next adventure. So, hey, just remember, do all them things. Hit that subscribe for me. And, hey, thanks for watching Adventures with Popo. I'll see you on the next adventure.